Good morning, Dimitris. This is Sebastian. It's a little video on the um, master dimmer problem you have with the striker wash. What I have here is just a little setup where I have some strikers, so I can fit them in the basic um, functionality, and this is a channel where I have only the master dimmer. I need to activate this, which is 0, and now I can fade in this one and back out again. So this is how LTP dimmers work. I'm going to show it from scratch. Have a look. I'm using version 11. Okay, so we start a new show. Disk, new show. Okay, now let's see how long it takes to patch the fixtures. Fixtures, here we go, eliminator lighting, then the striker wash in 23 channel mode, just patch a couple of fixtures in here. Here we go. Exit patch menu, as always, you know the drill. Open window, capture visualizer. So at the moment they are it's completely new show and fixtures just patched. Okay, only to have a look, I tilt them a little bit so that we can see them, and say we fan them out a little bit like so. Okay. While when we are on it, we can even give them a color if they have something. Red, green, and no blue. Now they are yellow. Okay, so record, and this is our first playback, which with everything in there. Okay, so clear, and sorry, this is the first one. Note that the master dimmer is always at full when the show starts or when Titan is loaded. Now we are trying to play a little bit with the master dimmer. Usually I would not use the master dimmer, I would just leave it on. But if you want to, now we go to intensity. You see here is the master dimmer. We put them at 100%, and now I'm going to program this by channel only. So we record, go to record mode, channel, and record it here. So this is where I have my master dimmer at 100%. Now I do another one with master dimmer at 0%. And record it on another playback. Okay, clear. Sorry, I wanted to hit exit, nothing else. Okay, so now we have Q2, it's 100%. We can set the legion so that we see it. So this one is our 100%. And the other one is 0%. Okay, 0%. You see the legions. Now, by default, if I bring in the 100% thing, it jumps to 100%. It doesn't fade, it jumps in there. This is a spoiler because I'm using the simulator. So it jumps to 100%, it stays there because the master dimmer is LTP. Now the same happens to the 0% thing. If I bring it in, it jumps to 0%, it stays there. So regardless what I do, it stays at 0% until I send a new information, by example by setting it to 100%. So this is LTP. The only thing you could do is you can go to edit times, select our 100% thingy, and set it to fade mode 2 here. Okay, just exit the menu and now set it to 0% again and try to fade it in and fade it out again. Now it works. Yeah. So this is what mode 2 is meant for. But again, and I can't repeat it often enough, I would not use the master dimmer if I don't really need to. So of course nothing happens here because it always stays at 0%. If I now bring this in, it goes to 100. If I now bring in the 0, it jumps to 0. And as long as I'm not at 0, the 100% isn't started again. So that's why it's really not a bug. This is how LTP channels work. Yeah, so I need to bring this down to 0, and now I can fade it in again, and now it works. Okay, but again, just please don't use it. But this is up to you, and